today I'm going to teach you how to add booking to Squarespace. This is incredibly useful if you're running a service-based business and want clients to schedule appointments directly through your website. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Squarespace dashboard where you can see all your websites. On the dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to add the booking functionality. This opens up the site editor and management tools for that specific site. Now look at the left side menu and click on scheduling. This is where all your booking and appointment settings live. Squarespace has built this feature directly into the platform, so you don't need any third-party tools. Once you're in the scheduling tab, the first thing you need to do is click Set Your Availability. This step is crucial because it determines when clients can actually book appointments with you. Here you can customize your availability that will show on your booking calendar. You can set specific times for different days of the week, block out lunch breaks, or mark certain days as unavailable. Take your time here to ensure it matches your actual schedule. Once you're done setting your hours, click Save Regular Hours. After saving, click Back to return to the main scheduling menu. Now it's time to create the actual services clients can book. Click Create Appointment Types, then click New Type of Service. This is where you define what you're offering. Input the name of your service, add a description so clients know what to expect, set the duration of the appointment, and add your price. You can also choose a category, upload an image if you need one, connect calendars, add intake forms, assign resources, or configure any additional options that make sense for your business. This customization ensures your booking system works exactly how you need it to. Once you've filled in all the details, click Create. Your service type will now appear in your list. Next, click on Direct Scheduling link for the service you just created. This opens up several options for how you want to integrate booking into your site. You'll see options like Direct Link, Embed Scheduler, Booking Button, and Booking Bar. Each serves a different purpose depending on how you want clients to interact with your booking system. For this tutorial, we're going to embed it directly into a page, so click Embed Scheduler, then copy the code that appears. This code is what will place your booking calendar right into your Squarespace page. Now let's head back to your Squarespace Editor tab. Click on the preview of your website, then click Edit Pages, followed by Edit. This puts you into page editing mode. Click Add Block to insert a new element onto your page. From the block options, select Embed. This block type allows you to insert custom code. Double-click the embed block you just added, then click Code Snippet. After that, click Embed Data. This is where you'll paste the scheduling code. Go ahead and paste the code you copied earlier into this field. Once it's pasted, your booking scheduler will appear directly on your page, allowing visitors to see your availability and book appointments without leaving your site. And that's it. You've successfully added a booking system to your Squarespace website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.